So I found myself looking for a bumper for my Ram because mine's a little rusty and crusty. And I wanted something not made for off-road where it's a big bill to pay for a bumper, but I want something heavy duty if I back into something that won't dent it in. So I found myself on Temu. And why am I on Temu is because Amazon sells the same stuff, but double the price. They price gouge. So I got on Temu and ended up getting me a rear bumper for $220. It just takes longer to get here instead of Amazon. So let's go out here and throw it on. So as you can see, my bumper it's junk. I mean, from a camera view, it looks okay. It looks like you could probably scrape it off and paint it, but really, it's rusted. So I began to disassemble my stock bumper, which is super easy, and this thing is super flimsy and light. And we go to put the Temu bumper on. Now, this is the only bumper I could find that didn't make the Ram 1500 look bulky in the back. This was kind of slim, and it kind of looked good. I'm not a big fan of all the backup lights, but it sure does help if you're hooking up a trailer. But I just didn't like the big bubble look that the other rear bumpers had. But everything went together flawlessly. Everything lined up. I didn't have to tweak anything. I didn't have to pull anything. But I did have to wire in all the lights and the license plate lights. So I went ahead and painted the tips up a little bit and shined that stuff up. And I wanted to go ahead and do the hitch the same way. But here's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good. It doesn't look too bulky. Doesn't look too ugly. And it fits the body of this truck super, super well. I've seen the Amazon ones not fit really well. Or some of the more expensive ones, I must say. But here it is. It looks sick. So get you a Temu bumper. You just have to wait a little bit longer for it. But it's well worth the price because it's cheaper than Amazon price gouging you.